So the first thing we have to do is write this line in slope-intercept form, that is in y equals mx plus b form. So I'm going to subtract 12x from both sides. 3y equals negative 12x plus 7. Divide by 3, I get negative 4x plus 7/3. And what concerns me, of course, is the slope. So the original slope is negative 4. For the perpendicular line, that slope is going to be the opposite reciprocal. So the opposite reciprocal, the slope of the perpendicular line, is going to be positive 1/4. Has an opposite sign and it's a reciprocal. So positive 1/4 is the slope of the perpendicular line.